The faculty of imagination is one of your 5 intellectual faculties, and use that wrongly and you're doomed. But if you use it rightly, and we will teach you how to use it rightly and how to develop that mindset, you set yourself up for success. Hey, this is Ron again with another idea from the book Think and Grow Rich. This is a book that we're going to study in a 13-day challenge. So we invite you to join our challenge starting on January 11 and go through this process with us. We want to help you build your success strategy. One of the mindset that we want you to develop in 2021 and beyond is the mindset of imagination. And Napoleon Hill calls imagination to be the workshop of the mind. There is a sentence here at page 127 on my copy who says, man's only limitation. Only, that's a big word. Man's only limitation within reason lies in his development and use of his imagination. Think about that. Man's only limitation within reason lies in his development and use of his imagination. He's not talking about if you use your imagination or you don't. We always use our imagination. The question is, are you using your imagination rightly or wrongly? Are you using your imagination to serve you or to make you a disservice? Think about this. This device that you watch me on right now has first been created in the mind of a person. Someone imagined this phone, and that was created before that was created in the physical world. So when Napoleon Hill says that imagination is the workshop of the mind, what he means by that? Is it in our imagination that everything starts? Think about your car, your house, the life you live right now. If you have a business, your business. At the beginning, it was just a thought. You had an idea that you might, start a business someday, or you might buy a house or move into this house, or you would want a new car. That started with an idea, and that was in your imagination. And when he talks about using our imagination, the challenge is that most people use their imagination wrongly. I used to use my imagination to imagine the worst case scenario instead of imagining the best case scenario. I use my imagination to look for all the reasons why I wouldn't succeed instead of looking for the reason why I would succeed. The faculty of imagination is one of your 5 intellectual faculties, and use that wrongly and you're doomed. But if you use it rightly, and we will teach you how to use it rightly and how to develop that mindset, you set yourself up for success. So we invite you to join us. Join us. We will go through this book. We will study each principle in this book. We will help you build your blueprint that you can apply over and over again into any area of your life and get great results. There is a link in this post. Make sure you click on that link and make sure you register. It's absolutely free, and you get a PDF copy of the book. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you there.